Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to Fidelity. This is a simple process, so let's jump right into it. First things first, we'll need to log into your Fidelity account using your username and password. Then click login. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your home page. Now to link your bank account, we're going to click on the account and trade menu. This is at the top left of the screen. Click on that, and from the drop down menu you'll select transfers. Now select transfers. Now that we are on the transfers page, look for the option called manage bank accounts, this one right here. This is where you will manage all your linked bank accounts. Now if you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll see a message saying currently your Fidelity accounts are not linked to any banks. Don't worry, this is totally normal. Just click on the blue button that says link a new bank account. Next, Fidelity will ask you to verify your identity for security reasons. This is a two-step process to ensure it's really you. Now, go ahead and choose any of the option. And for example, if you choose to get a text message for verification, go ahead and click next. Once you get the code, type it in and click verify. Now it's time to choose the transfer type. You'll have two options: electronic fund transfers or bankware. EFT is the option I recommend. It's free and you can both deposit and withdraw funds to and from Fidelity. Bankware option allows only withdrawals and some fees may apply. Most people will want to choose EFT, so that's the one I'm going with. Next, select the Fidelity account you want to link the bank to. Alright, see this is right here. For most people, there's only one account to choose from, but if you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the right one. Now we'll enter the bank details. You'll need to provide your bank's routing number and sorry, let me just go to you'll need to add your bank's routing number, account number, and also re-enter the account number. Again, to make sure everything is correct. Once that's done, click agree and continue. And that's it. Your bank account is now linked to your Fidelity account. You can now easily transfer money to and from Fidelity and manage your investments. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.